this vlog, I'm taking you guys on another work trip to Essequibo, where we're gonna just do another stock count, okay? So come along. So here I am at the pickups location waiting for my other colleagues to arrive so we can start this adventure. Now, I noticed these days I'm starting to take a lot of pictures of the clouds. I don't know why. I find it very like aesthetic. So after arriving at Puerto Rico, we usually go at this parking lot that we park our bus at so we can head to the Puerto Rico stelling. Now, the team decided to go to the restroom before they head to the stelling because it's going to be a 30 minutes boat ride. So everybody decided to use the restroom. Well, I needed to use it because I didn't drink a lot of liquid this morning. So as soon as we arrived, the team and I decided to grab breakfast, which I decided to have macaroni and cheese and chicken with a Coca-Cola, Coke, and afterwards the team and I started heading towards our work destination. As soon as I arrived, I just went to my phone and let my best friend know that I arrived safely and I'm about to start doing work in a few, but I thought to check in on him and decide to just scroll on social media because basically I have nothing to do as yet. Huh? Hanging on? Next one is original. Sorry, no. Moving on. Oh, let me educate you guys a bit. Stock count is basically like if the system says there's 10 boxes of Heineken in the warehouse, we need to go in the warehouse and look for those 10 boxes, and if we found it, we have to like tick off it on the tablet, like saying like, hey, we found it, like tick 10 boxes. It's more to it, but that's basically just it, but I don't want to go deep into it. Now for lunch I'm having barbecue chicken with fried rice and macaroni and cheese at the side with salad. Now I was the second person to finish for my team, that's why I'm on lunch so early. But when it comes to stock count, the first day that I started doing it, I kind of didn't understand it. I was using paper at first because I didn't get a hand of it. So you know what, you have to start small before you get big. So like when it comes to like last week work trip, my boss kind of surprised me when he gave me the tablet to start using it. I guess he said like I have a lot of skills now, so I can start learning to use the tablet now, and I adapted like really fast. So after finishing doing this stock count, we decided to go on the beach and chill for a few minutes before the boat come back to the stelling so we can head back to Puerto Rico. So we decided to go on the beach and just chill, drink a few beers, and you know, like basically relax because life too short, as my boss is saying. decided to sit down because I didn't trust the sun. Maybe the wave was coming back and anything could happen. But I just decided to sit down with the boss and the team and the rest of the team and just sit down and drink.
Lose the clipper.
Now, after getting off the boat, I decided to buy some pine that I was selling by the Stellan. And this is my first time trying this, honestly. My first time trying this, and it tastes good.
Never eat pine.
Pineapple, no.
Yeah? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah?
Is that from town? That's right. Because it's town. If you ever think that we eat mango sauce, like that sauce.
Mango sauce, yeah.
Yeah, mango sauce. This is cashew, salt, and pepper.
Juicy. Plus, then I like a lot of pepper burn up your lips and
Yeah, that's what I was just telling her. Listen, to tell you about the only thing with this pine is that it's
yeah,
most of the pine is so fine within the spiral.
it's just right. As soon as you bite in it, water just running.
Very tender. Very tender.
Now this is just as headed back to town and vibing in the bus, which I cannot play the music that's playing in the background because I don't want to be copyrighted. Now I must say, for the first time I did to Region 2 was an experience. I learned some things today and I met new people and learned some new culture also. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which is basically every Sunday, so look out.